مثل الجفن والعين كنا أنا وأنتي سألله أيام زمان يا ريت ما بعدتي مثل الجفن والعين كنا أنا وأنتي سألله أيام زمان يا ريت ما بعدتي لعيونك انت الأمان لقلبك انت الحنان لعيونك انت الأمان لقلبك انت الحنان معك نسيت الزمان كل الأمل كنتي معك نسيت الزمان كل الأمل كنتي.
Yo, what is up everyone? And today is kind of a bittersweet moment for me, honestly. I've been through so much in Yemen, so much, and a lot of it, honestly, I wasn't expecting. And I learned so much that, to the extent that if I were to I know for sure that if I were to come into Yemen again, I mean, don't get me wrong, I've been to Yemen plenty of times, but each time you come, you learn so much. And I believe that this time around, I've learned a lot. I mean, when you come as a child and you come as a teenager and you come in here later on, you don't have no responsibilities. You come with family and you just chill and you just play. You don't learn that much. But when you come by yourself, like this is the 5th time I've come by myself to Yemen, and each time I just each time I've come, I've learned so much, man. I've been through so much crap, to be honest, stuff that I never thought I'd deal with, and it's just a sad. It is what it is. I mean, the thing about me, man, I love to complain. I could sit here and complain about all the things that went wrong and all that good stuff, but at the same time, it's like, hey, come on, man, hurry up. معاش كل مطر انت تتكلم الباص. I mean, I could sit here and complain about all the bad things that went wrong, and of course, as you guys know, I got freaking jailed like an idiot, and then hospitalized and all that good stuff. It's so much. It's crazy because the things I went through in 2 months, I felt like I've lived here for a year. That's the stuff that you go through, like if you were here for a year or whatever. But it is what it is, man. And so right now where we're heading is to Idris's house, Idris's village. Hopefully I'll have that video up before I post this video. And the motorcycle, as you guys know, isn't mine. It's Idris's father, my uncle. And he bought it, and I'm sure you've seen that video too when we went to go buy this bad boy for 720 bucks around that area. And I'm giving the motorcycle back. He gave it to me. I mean, he bought it new and was just like, because no one in his family knows how to ride yet. So yeah, you can break it in, ride it for 2 months, do your videos or whatever, and then when you're done with it, just bring it back up to me to the village, to my house. I said, all right, deal. And I'm gonna, he's not charging me anything. He not charged. I was like, yeah, how much do you want me to pay your rent? And give me, and he's just like, man, don't worry about it. But I gotta give him something, because I mean, like if you were to rent a motorcycle, here in Yemen, like from a trustworthy person that they charge you like 500 riyals per day, which is two and some change, like $2.50 or something like that. And so yeah, take 500 riyals times that by, well, I've had the bike for, I want to say, how long have I had the bike for? Probably a month and 2 weeks. Yeah, a month and 2 weeks probably, because I know the first 2 weeks I didn't have a bike. So a month and 2 weeks I've had this bike, man. So take 500 riyals, times that by 30 plus 14, 44. So 44 days times 500 riyals, man. Yeah. من فرز تحت صح. Oh, I made the wrong U-turn. Still down there a little bit. I have my face mask down. My face mask. I keep calling it a face mask. My visor is down, which is, like, again, it's dumb because, you know, it's suspicious because it's like, dude, why do you have your face covered type thing? But because I have Adidas on the back and it looks like I have a passenger, I blend in as a regular local, you know, better that way. Yeah, so we're about to make this around this 40 to 50 minute trek all the way to his village from this city of Ib. He comes down here because he goes to school here, architectural college, University of something something Ib. So yeah, it's gonna be a طوالي زحمة. Okay. طيب. Yeah. He's saying we could make a U-turn and go up that street, but it's because it's so packed that it's so packed that it just wouldn't make sense for us to go that way. So we're going a different route. Dang, man, I'm taken by this moment right now because I know this is my last time on a motorcycle, you know, and recording here in Yemen. It's bittersweet, you know, because I'm just so relieved, kinda. And thank God, you know, like thank God I haven't been in any motorcycle accidents. I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, my dedicated viewers can tell you. I mean, I've been in a lot of close calls, which off and on camera, a lot of close calls. But luckily, I came out of here unscathed, man. And I'm super blessed and super grateful that I got to experience the country on two wheels. And honestly, going back to America and going back to Delaware, I'm gonna be a way better rider. I already know I'm gonna be a way better rider. And not only that, but my ability not to panic, I don't know what you want to call that. I have that sixth sense now where it's like I don't panic. Like if a car like comes out in front of me and is almost about to hit me, I'm chilling, I'm cool. Because it happens so often here in Yemen that it just became the norm here, and I don't panic anymore. You said, and I don't panic anymore, man. It's like normal to me now because, like, look, this car's about to hit me. I'm chilling. In America, that's like a huge close call. You get out, you know, you get off the bike and your heart's pounding and you're like, oh my God, I almost got hit. You know, you start cursing and you make a YouTube video and you say, oh, close call, this and that, and the YouTube gets like, you know, 20,000 hits and you're just, you know what I mean? It's just like now it's like, you know, the you know, if that happens to me in America, like I probably won't even talk about it. I probably won't even mention it. It won't faze me at all, and I'm sure Rural Jardine has that too, because all the close calls he's in, and you know, driving through London and all the filtering he develops a certain type of, I do, all the locals here, they develop a certain type of comfortability. So in terms of the proximity of you, the distance between you and the other car, you develop this comfort level where it doesn't bother you, it doesn't faze you, and you don't get shaken, and you don't panic. That's the key thing that you guys need to realize. That's the key thing about new riders too. When they start riding and a close call occurs, what happens? They panic. And when they panic, what do? They grab the brake. And then they don't know what to do, and then they grab the brake and they fall. And I don't do that. And I think that's great that I got to learn here. That way when I go back to America, now riding in America, I won't grab the brake, I won't panic, I won't, you know what I mean? I mean, before I kind of actually did it because I gained experience last winter too, here in Yemen. We gotta go straight. I don't know how we're gonna go straight. Everyone's telling me to wait, you know, like when they see the helmet and stuff, like, oh, hold on, wait, let me see what you got there, you know. Now I gotta pay attention on my to what's in front of me, because I know the street is cut here. No, it's cut right here.